Guys, welcome to my channel once again. Just a tutorial on how to actually remove your CV head when you're replacing from your shaft, right? You just knock it until you see the splines there, and you just knock it with, you can take a heavier hammer should it be too stiff to take off, but basically that's how you remove it. That's all that is to it. There's no circlip, there's no nothing, right? Just also make sure that your splines are okay after you've removed, and then you can replace and put the new CV head on. If you are subscribed to my channel, you should see the other video of where we install the new head. Also, when you are finished, then after you put your CV boot on, just get a big cable tie, and then just tie it like this, and then you can just remove the excess there. And then at the back we have the smaller one. It's just a smaller one here where we can use for the back, but that one looks like it's in there. Just have to pop it out if we can, and then you can just use the smaller one for the back. This is more of a small size. And that's the big one. Yeah, man. Big one, nice and strong one. Okay. Now, thank you for subscribing to. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please push the subscribe button. Tell a friend and visit me next time. Thanks.